Omaha's weather leader is continuing coverage on this winter storm, keeping you up to date with conditions across the metro.
KETV News Watch 7's Madison Perales is out of the CHI Health Center. That's where Nebraska Boys State Wrestling is today. A lot of people down there, Madison. How's the weather looking?
Yeah, Bill, people are definitely showing up, snow or no snow. We actually did talk to some people who said we don't care whether the snow is coming down. We are going to show up for our boys. And we actually have CHI out here doing some clearing of the slidewalks. And while they are clearing, within just a few seconds, this snow is piling straight back on to those sidewalks. And we are out here. You can see the visibility is getting lower out here. We're going to pan over to the road so you can take a look at that. Omaha Public Works was originally preparing for rainfall, and now it's shifted to snow. So City Engineer Austin Rouser says they'll prioritize clearing the main streets. Then later tonight, contract crews will plow residential areas with city crews following behind and salting these streets. Now you can see these roads the sidewalk is sticking. Just hours ago, it wasn't sticking and it was melting right off, but within hours we have seen inches of snow coming in, and this snow has just been pelting me in the face, large pellets here. We're gonna say that it's safe to be off the roads here right now, and to keep, if you are having to be on the road, keep a safe distance between you and those around you, and keep an eye out for those snow plows as they are making their ways, trying to make your commute a little bit easier heading back from work. We're going to toss it back to you.
All right, Madison, thank you for that update.